Good morning, students. Before we start the session of the day, I would like all of you to open Module 2, topic Notice Writing on page 51 of the BBC book. Also open your notebook in which you did the homework assigned that was related to a notice about meeting. Page 51, question 2, read like this. Before you start any question, children, you must read the question carefully and underline the important parts of that question that are to be included in the answer. For example, in this question, that is question 2 on page 51, the words like head boy, head girl is to be included. Next, in third line, if you have carefully read the notice, it is for the student council notice board requesting, underline this, student council notice board requesting all the members. Whom are we addressing this notice to? All the members, and these are the members of the students council. Next, to attend a meeting. This to attend a meeting to finalize the list of volunteers is the agenda. Why we are issuing this particular notice. Rest of the details, date, time, venue are common to all the notices that are related to meeting. Let's get started. You have to tally your content with mine and put tick marks with pencil. In case there is some error in what you have written, you may mark it with a pencil, a small cross against it, and do the correction there itself. Mind it, use a pencil for checking your answer. Let's start. As the school name is not given in the question, so the school name will be ABC School XYZ City. Next, leave a line and put the word notice. This should be in the middle. And I prefer you to make only a 3-sided box, not to close it from the bottom till you finish writing the complete notice. And make the box with the pencil. Next, leave a line and put the date. Your date may not match with mine because I have written it on May 13th and you people have written it on some other date. So there is no issue about the date. Date should be, the format should be same, month, date and year. Rest the date can be anything. Next, leave a line, give a suitable heading. Meeting of the council members. Here, if you have written meeting of the student council's members, that is also correct. Meeting of the council members, this is also correct. But only writing student meeting of members, that is wrong. Next, leave a line and give a suitable beginning. The beginning goes like this. There is a meeting of all the council members. It can also be there is a meeting of all the students council members. Following are the details. Now put the details like this. First the date. Order should be same, children. Date, time, venue, agenda. Date, I have put May 10 as the date. You please change it this May 10 to May 14 or 15. Next, time. Again, this time can be anything. As you have written, whatever you have written, if you have given the clock time, that is also correct. Otherwise, you may write during lunch break. Next, venue. Venue again can be, as it is not mentioned in the question, you can write activity room or meeting room, anything which you have written, it should be in the school premises. That's it. Next, agenda. Agenda has to be exactly what is written in the question. We have already underlined in the question: to attend a meeting to finalize the list of volunteers. Further, you need to add for the children's art exhibition. Simply writing to finalize the list of volunteers, it is incomplete information. You have to add for the children's art exhibition. Next, leave a line. And mention attendance is compulsory. Please write this attendance is compulsory in cursive strokes. Even the rest of the notice will be in cursive strokes except date, the words date, time, venue and agenda. With this, where you have written children's art exhibition, the first letter of these three words will be capital. Next, leave line, put signatures. No name has been given in the question, so you may scribble the first three letters or scribble any three letters there for signature. Next, the name. For name, I have suggested use bold letters and the first three letters of your name. Next, the designation. According to your gender, you will choose to write head boy or head girl. Thank you, children. Have a nice day and prepare well for your test on Friday.